Williams.
No, you listen to me. All you do is talk, 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 and never listen to me. Do you even care about me? Do you even love me?
I don't. Can't you see? Can't you see that I don't love you anymore? I have suffered myself for years, trying hard to love you, trying so hard to hold on to this thing called marriage.
So why did you stay?
Because of our son. I stayed because of child. I stayed because I wanted to prove a point.
Prove a point to who?
To everyone who thought we were too young to get married. I wanted to prove them wrong, but I guess I played myself.
You? You played yourself?
Williams, we had child as teenagers. We were in love. We thought that was enough to start a family. We got married even though everyone was against it. And everything didn't work out the same way. It never remained the same.
What do you mean, Kate? Nothing changed for me. I never stopped loving you. I still love you.
Oh, I fell out of love with you. I fell out of love barely 2 years into this marriage. I can't pretend anymore. It feels like punishment, Williams. Joe is grown now. He will be fine.
What are you doing?
I'm leaving. I'm done with this thing called marriage. It is over between us, Williams.
No, Kate, you can't do this. We can talk this out. We can find a way out.
Williams, there is nothing to figure out. There is nothing to talk about. I don't want to be with you anymore. Can't you see? Please, respect my decision. I will be back for my things when the divorce papers is ready.
Kate!
Dad, what did you do?
Get out.
What did you do to make her leave like that?
Get out.
You should clearly go after her.
Why didn't you go after her? Maybe you should have gone after her. After all.
She is clearly mad at you, okay? And you must have done something to provoke her that bad.
I don't even expect any better from you. Of course, you always take her side. Just as she always takes your side. You are the way you are because of her. She spoils you.
This is not about me, okay? This is about you and her. This is about your marriage.
Just leave me alone. I want to be left alone.
Are you okay?
Is everything okay?
Yeah. I need you to leave. Okay?
Leave?
Yeah, don't worry. Just
What are you talking about?
I mean, it's just a colleague of mine, you know, and he's having issues with his wife at home, okay? And he's stranded.
Why then do I have to leave?
I mean, I just said he's having issues with his wife, babe. Come on. I don't want him to feel uncomfortable when he comes here, you know, having you around now. Babe.
This is a joke, right?
Baby, I'm so sorry, okay? Listen, I promise you I'll make it up to you. Maybe we'll see now tomorrow or next. I'll text you, we'll talk.
Daniel, you're not...
Babe, just calm.
Daniel!
Calm, babe. Wait, you did?
I probably.
No way. Are you saying it is over?
Yes, it's over. I'm tired of pretending. I'm tired of deceiving myself. I mean, my heart is no longer with him. My heart is with you.
So babe, I'm just trying to get everything right. Are you saying you and I can be together now? Like, no more friends with benefit? No sex mate?
Come on, you've always wanted us to take things to the next level.
I mean, I know, I'm just like surprised that everything is happening so fast, you know?
Hey, wait, are you trying to say things?
No, Joe. I'm just like wondering, like, I never thought you'd ever want to be with a guy like me.
Come on, it's you I love, Sam.
Aww.
It's you I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
But I kind of feel bad for him though, like, you know, the fact that you're not going to be with him, but I mean, I guess it's my game, his loss, so who am I to complain, right?
Come on, you don't have to. Man, you should be happy we're finally together.
I love you.
Stop. You should be happy. I'm going to finalize.
Listen.
Wait, I have to finalize the divorce so that you and I can officially be together.
Really? Well, guess what?
No.
EV's one. Come on, let's go, baby.
Hey, Dad. Are you happy? Because I called Mom and she wasn't picking up my calls. So I want to know, was it worth it? Now it is just you and I in this house. Two bachelors! You know, I always knew Mom was going to stop fighting you and leave you one day.
How many times have I told you to stop drinking?
You can't control me. You can't even control your own home.
Give me my keys.
Good. You can have them. I can't wait to leave you too.
I can't wait to. I can't wait for you to see how tough life is. Years of my life, I sacrificed everything for you. I gave you everything I could give you. I fought for us. I fought my family for us. I fought my own mother just to be with you. I hustled hard and flew you and our son out of the country.
This is the colleague. This is the reason you've not been answering my calls? No, you don't have anything to say.
See, I can explain.
This right here explains it all.
I'm sorry.
You can't explain anything to me. You know what? I'll just let you continue with her, okay? It's fine.
Evelyn, please.
You can go to hell with your ring.
Evelyn!
No, you can't go after her. You promised to leave her the moment I become yours. I left my husband for you. So please, let her be. Let her go. Please.
That is bullshit, Dad. That is fucking bullshit.
Language, Jerry, language!
I'm not going to Nigeria. This is not happening.
Oh, yes, you are. And you know what? You have no opinion on this, okay? I have already called my mother and she has asked me to send you. So you are going to Nigeria.
You must be joking, Dad.
Oh, you think this is a joke?
You're not serious. I'm out of here.
Listen to me, Chan. As far as you are under my roof, you must do as I say. And until you learn to become an adult, you will remain in. Chan! Oh. Little Chan is wrong.
No. Dad. I'm in trouble, Dad. I'm in trouble. I just knocked a lady down. Dad, I don't know. She's unconscious. No. I'm still here, Dad. I'm still right here at the scene. What if she dies, Dad? I'm scared. Dad. Okay.
How's she doing, doctor?
She's stable now. Unfortunately, there are no internal injuries.
And the leg?
Well, she suffered a leg injury that might take some time to heal.
Is it that bad?
She'll need to be in a wheelchair so she's able to use her leg. So, you're gonna have to be patient with her.
Okay, did she, anybody contacted her yet? No family members?
Just nobody here.
No friends, no family?
Nothing that's documented on her record, no. But she'll be needing all the care even after she's discharged.
Okay, I'll take care of that.
Alright, very good. Well, I'll be in my office.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
No problem.
You need to go home, okay? You've been here all day.
No. That I did this, I need to be here by her side.
I said you need to go, okay? Just go!
I'm sorry.
Hey, you're awake, finally.
Who are you?
I am Williams.
I don't care about your name.
Yes. Exactly.
Leave.
Please calm down.
Calm down. Did you just tell me to calm down? Maybe you should have told your son that before handing over the key.
I understand how you feel.
No! You don't understand how I feel. You're the one stuck in this room, on this bed. You're not the one with an injured leg who has to use a wheelchair.
Trust me, I am really sorry, okay? I'm sorry to have you in this condition. Okay? I'm here to help you. Please. Do you have any family members? Any spouse? Anybody?
I want to be left alone.
Please, just let me help you.
Just come. Leave!
Okay. I'll be outside. I'll be outside, okay? Hi, Evelyn. Are you happy to be discharged? Well, I'm just coming from the doctor's office, and she has introduced me to a physiotherapist who will help you heal faster. She has also prescribed some medications for you. And one more thing, you will be going home with me.
Hell no.
I'm just trying to do what I should do.
You've done enough already. I just don't want to go home with you.
Do you think I want to take you to my house? I'm just going according to what the doctor said, to take good care of you.
I don't need anyone.
Do you have someone who can help you? You see? You do need help. You need someone who can help you around. You need
I don't need you! I don't need anyone! I don't need this stupid wheelchair! I don't need you! I can walk on my own!
You're just being stubborn, Evelyn. You do need help. Welcome to our home. I'll just take you to your room. This will be your space for now. I know this is not easy for you, but I will try my best to make you stay comfortable. If you need anything, my son and I are here for you.
Don't touch me.
Are you hungry?
I'm not hungry.
You need to eat.
I want to be left alone.
I'll just go make something for you.
Wakey, wakey. I have something for you. Of course, something like that.
Everything my ex-husband is.
I mean, that's the goal. If I'm like your ex-husband, what's the fun in that?
Sweet.
Listen, I took my time, so much TLC to make this food, especially for you. Sweet. Enjoy.
My goodness!
Do you love it?
I love it! And I love you too!
Listen, baby. Listen, I know you and I have been through a lot and, we had to lose a lot of people we love just to be together. And I can't believe I really now have you all to myself. So I'm not gonna mess it up and I'm gonna make it what you want. Okay? Listen, okay? I love you. I care about you. Okay? Like, I've dreamt about the days where I have to go down on my knees to ask you to be my wife, and I feel like that day has come. Okay. Will you marry me?
Yes, I will!
Really?
Of course!
was so sweet of you. It was so amazing. Thank you. Wait. It's not done. Come here.
Okay.
First of all, you have to like take a photo, okay? Post it on all social media so your, especially that your ex-husband needs to know that you're finally moving on. Excellent.
Same goes. You have to take the picture, post it so that your ex will know that you're happy with me.
That's not a problem. I got you. Where's my phone? We can start it right now. Let me go get my laptop.
Mom, please tell me. Tell me what I just saw on your Facebook page is not true. You're really engaged. You're moving on so quick, Mom. You haven't even divorced Dad yet. Mom, please listen to me. I don't know what you're up to, but please, you need to stop and come back home. You are putting yourself first? Really, Mom? What have gotten into you? Mom, please, listen. Listen to me. Just listen. Please tell me this is all a prank and you're gonna come back home. Mom? Mom! Dad! Dad!
Morning.
You're crying? Is everything okay? Is this about your leg? Is this about the accident? Is this
Can
about...
you just stop with the silly questions?
Well, I'm making breakfast, so at least you can take your medicine.
I didn't ask you to make me breakfast.
But you have to eat to take your medication.
I just told you I do not want to eat.
Do you even know what it takes me to go to the kitchen to make you food? You're the only one with challenges. So please help me.
No, I don't understand, Williams. Your main kid left you and got engaged to another man? Why would she do that? Apparently, I have been married to myself for years. Kate looked at me in the eyes and told me she hasn't been in love with me for the most part of our marriage. I didn't see this coming at all. She broke up with me and got engaged to another man immediately.
I'm hungry. Is anyone there? I said I'm hungry. Is anyone there?
William, who is that?
I know you can hear me, Williams. I'm hungry. I need food.
Williams? Can't you hear her? She said she's hungry.
You know what? Forget about it.
Exactly. Do just that.
Wait. Who was that?
She's some girl that Champ knocked down. Now she's stuck in a wheelchair in my house till she gets back on her feet.
Then why did you ignore her? You should have been nice to her, you know?
She's rude. She has a very bad temper. And she's always angry.
Why would she be angry? You just said she was knocked down by a car and stuck in a wheelchair? Of course you should be angry.
This is just bad time.
Williams?
I got you some clothes. I know you haven't changed your clothes since you got here. I'm not even sure if you've taken a shower. If you need any help around the bathroom, I can find someone to help you.
I don't need anyone.
Okay. Is that your boyfriend?
Thanks for the item. You can go.
Okay.
Don't you dare touch me!
Okay. Help yourself.
John? What is that I see with you? You now smoke? Cigarettes?
It's my first time. I just wanted to smoke away my worries.
Can you even hear yourself? It's my first time. I just wanted to smoke away my worries. What is wrong with you?
Why do you even care? Who cares if I smoke or not? You? Mom, who is clearly in bed with another man? Just leave me alone, man. If I smoke, then I smoke. I turn into whoever I become. If I like it, I become a thug, a criminal.
You can become whatever you want to become, but don't make me bear the consequences of your acts. That woman you knocked down is in there, and the whole burden is on me. I got my own worries. I'm heartbroken. I'm trying to be strong. It is either you make this easy for me or you get out of my house.
Really? So you're now barging without knocking? What if I was naked?
I'm sorry I didn't knock. It's just that you usually don't say anything when I do.
You don't.
Well, I'm here to let you know that your physiotherapist is here.
I'm not interested.
You're not interested in what?
In whatever he or she is here for.
Do you know she's here to make you heal?
I'll be fine myself.
Wait. Did you even have a house before you came here? No. I'm curious because it seems like you don't want to heal, so you don't leave.
Very funny.
No, you're the one being funny right here. Do you know how much I paid that therapist?
Then go get a refund. I do not want to do anything. And if you want me to leave your house, I will gladly leave. It's not like I wanted to be here in the first place.
You are seriously and gradually getting on my nerves. And I'm about to lose it.
Evelyn, I know you're still mad at me, and I really can't justify what I did to you, okay? But I just want to check and see if you're fine.
Don't worry about me. Lest I forget. Congratulations on your engagement.
Listen, Evelyn.
I have nothing to listen to. You could have just told me you had someone else in your life. You shouldn't have proposed to me. You shouldn't have lied to me. I didn't need to find out the way I did.
Listen, I'm sorry.
Sorry? Sorry for what exactly? That I saw what I saw? Or sorry about the fact that I had an accident that same day and now I'm stuck in a wheelchair?
What? Accident? Wheelchair? Even where are you?
I don't want you anywhere close to me. Stay far away from me. Don't call me. Don't look for me. I hate you. I hate you so much. I hate you.
What's that? What's that? Jesus, I know. Hey, are you okay?
Apart from the accident, is there any other thing you done? It's okay. Whatever is going on, it will pass, okay? It's okay. A few days before the accident, my wife told me that she's no longer in love with me. And she left me. Since then, she hasn't showed up. Only for me to see a post on Facebook that she's been engaged to another man.
Your wife?
Of 20 years. We got married as teenagers after having our son.
Oh.
So you can see how devastated I've been. Look, I know I haven't been the best towards you. But try to understand that I've been through a lot too.
I'm sorry.
No, I am sorry.
A few minutes before the accident happened, I had just walked in on my fiancé in bed with another woman. We were engaged to be married in 2 months. Now he's engaged to that same woman I caught him in bed with.
What?
It hurts. It hurts that I found myself in this condition because of him. I was so faithful to him. I looked forward to our big day, and all I wanted was for us to spend the rest of our lives together. But I guess it was just me.
It hurts to see that we are hurt by the ones we love.
It hurts. I am hurt. I am so broken. I don't even know what to do.
I am here for you.
No. Give me all the strength you could get. I'll be fine. Come in.
Good morning. Breakfast is set. Can I weigh you out?
I want to leave. I've ordered my ride already and it's 5 minutes away from here.
Where are you leaving to?
Well, contrary to what you think, I have a house. And I think it's best I go home.
But do you have anybody to assist you over there?
No, what I...
Then don't leave.
Williams, I do not want to be a burden to you. I understand that you're going through a rough time, and I just think it would be selfish of me if I remain here.
Hey, listen. You're not a burden to me. We have both had personal issues and have been pouring out on each other. It shouldn't be that way. Okay? I don't want you to leave. I want to be there for you to assist you. Please don't leave. I promise to be there for you and be nicer from now on. Please stay.
My ride is almost here.
Just cancel it, okay? Cancel it. Just stay.
Thank you. I'm done.
You're welcome. It's good to see you smile. Do you promise to cooperate with me to help you? I've been doing some research on exercises to make you get back on your feet faster. And I'm willing to go through it with you.
Thank you.
I promise to help you through all of this, okay? Alright, relax. I'll be upstairs.
Please help me with it.
Oh, there it is. Enjoy.
I don't know it is Cocobello. I don't know the story of me.
Like that song.
My life was shattered before
I
you came. And when you came, you showed me what love is. I was out there living in a blinded world, and you opened my eyes to see. Now I'm begging you, baby.
I see that now.
I don't want you to let go, baby. Oh, baby, I don't know what you did.
Oh my God.
That made me fall in love with you.
Yeah.
Oh, baby, I don't know how you did it. That made me fall in love with you. How do you think that I can sleep without you? Smile without you? Breathe without you? Now you have filled the void in me.
He knows how to use it.
That was created by my past. Oh baby, cause if you leave me, I go die. Oh, please don't leave me. You are everything I ever wanted. I spend my life on you, baby. Ooh, oh baby, I don't know what you did that made me fall in love with you. Oh baby, I don't know how you did it. That made me fall in love with you. Oh baby, I don't know what you did that made me fall in love with you. Oh baby, I don't know how you did it. That made me fall in love with you. I'm in love with you. Oh, I'm in love with you. I won't let go. I'm in love with you. You came and saved me, baby. Ooh. What will be, will be.
What is it?
Fate has its own ways to change the course of our lives. Que será, será. What will be, will be.
Can we talk?
Williams, there is nothing to talk about. I'm sure you know I'm engaged to get married again.
Exactly what I want to talk about. I want to know what I did to deserve all of this.
Nothing. You did nothing.
Have you been cheating on me? Because the guy who just proposed is definitely not a new guy.
Williams, can we just accept our fate and move on with our lives?
Please tell me. I just want to know. Have you been cheating? Yes or no?
Well, if you must know, yes. I have been cheating on you all these years. Now you know, can you please sign the divorce papers so we can move on with our lives? Have you signed it?
No.
Why?
I'll sign it when I want to, but definitely not today.
Fine. Take your time. But if you're planning on using these divorce papers to tie me down, honey, you lie.
Mom? You're leaving?
I have to.
What about me, Mom? You just gonna leave me behind here?
I'm not leaving you behind. I stayed this long because of you. I'm a man now. Come on. We'll always keep in touch, okay? And always be a good boy for mom. You can always call me if you need anything.
Mom, no!
Yeah, come in. Hey, are you okay? Is everything okay? I heard voices.
Yeah, it's my ex. She came around.
Yeah, for as much. The reason I didn't come out.
She brought the divorce papers.
Really? You signed it?
Not yet. I just feel like I deserve some closure. I deserve to know what really happened.
I understand. Just take your time, okay?
Sure.
Come here. Everything will be fine, okay?
Okay, no. Okay, sorry. I will stop laughing, I promise.
Fine, continue laughing.
Continue laughing. You're laughing at me. Okay, no problem. Well, your turn. Time to hear about your high school experience. Tell me the most embarrassing moment.
I think mine would be when the school principal caught my high school girlfriend and I kissing behind the school library.
Oh my goodness!
As in, the next day, they brought us out in the assembly.
Oh, that's bad. Oh, I thought mine was worse, but no.
I wanted the ground to swallow me.
Who wouldn't? You.
My soon-to-be ex-wife was my high school girlfriend.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm really sorry. Everything will be fine.
Sure.
I don't like this mood.
Okay, why don't you sing for me?
Oh no!
Sing me a nice song.
Please.
Sing me a nice song.
What song should I sing? I'm very good at singing.
Any song.
Oh baby, I don't know what to did that made me fall in love with you. Oh baby, I don't know how you did it that made me fall in love with you. Oh baby, I don't know what to did that made me fall in love with you. Oh baby, I don't know how you did it that made me fall in love with you. I'm in love with you. Oh, I'm in love with you. I won't let go. I'm in love with you.
This is crazy. What are you doing here?
Yeah, I was just about to ask you something.
I'm just visiting my old haunts on the off chance that I ran into an ex from 10 years ago.
Oh yeah? How many have you run into so far?
No, I actually just finished another season of my show. So, thought I'd just take a few days, see my mom, unwind.
For sure. And congrats, by the way. You really did it.
Thanks.
You're coming to me. I never would have guessed it.
Well, what I'm doing now is basically still dark filmmaking, except people actually watch it. But what about you? What are you doing these days?
I'll give you one next.
Oh, shit. Did you...
End up on work for my dad? Yeah. Campbell Family Contractors. Have you noticed the new corridor?
Oh, wait, you did this?
Yeah.
I was wondering where the bloodstone went from when Eric DeCosta cut his finger off.
That stain was the first thing to go.
How were the icicles not the first thing?
You have no idea how hard I begged them to get rid of those things. Well, you know, it's always Christmas in my life.
Well... Oh. Who would have thought you were this sweet?
I cannot wait for you to get back on your feet.
Oh! So you're saying you cannot wait for me to leave?
Oh, no, that's not what I mean. You know, I'm actually enjoying your company. In fact, you came to me at the right time.
Are you saying the accident needed to happen?
Come on, stop putting words in my mouth. Well, something like that.
Well, I'm glad I met you too. I would have really lost it if I didn't have you by my side.
I'm sorry. This shouldn't have happened.
It's fine. I'll be in my room.
What is your problem? Huh?
Darling, I should be asking you. You've been acting funny lately.
Please, listen. I just want to be left alone. It's as simple as that.
What is going on with you? I thought you wanted me all to yourself.
Well, listen.
I thought you wanted to have me. Now you have me, you're acting funny.
Listen, I just don't want to have sex. Or is it by force? Is it by force?
What is going on? I hope it's not what I'm thinking, Daniel.
Listen. You know what? Have the room to yourself. Enjoy. Sleep.
What just happened? Did he just... Goodness.
Why are you here by yourself? Are you in the balcony?
I'm just worried.
Worried?
About you.
Me?
Or let's just say I'm worried about myself. I don't know how it happened, but I think I have fallen for you.
You think?
I have grown so fond of you. I'm beginning to like you.
That makes it both of us.
What do you feel?
I feel a connection. Something I never thought I would feel. A feeling I didn't see coming. It feels... No. This isn't right. I just got out of a relationship and you just got out of a marriage and you haven't even signed the divorce papers yet.
I can go ahead and sign it right away.
No. I wouldn't want you to make that decision because of me. I want you to do it because you want to.
What happens to me? What happens to me in all of this? Mom has moved on. Dad is moving on. Where does that put me? Where?
Evelyn, I have learned my lessons, and all I want to do is treat you right, give you what you deserve, because I love you. I never stopped loving you, and I don't think I'm capable of not loving you. Please, come back to me, baby. Please.
I'm leaving.
Why?
I'm fine now. I think it's better I leave.
But you don't have to leave.
You forget I have a house. Come on, I'm okay. I'm on my feet already. Thank you so much for everything, okay? I truly appreciate.
Let me get my car, please. Please, let me drop you.
You don't bother. I'll have a ride. And it's outside. Do take care of yourself. Bye, Chan.
I don't have a contact.
Evelyn?
Dad? Dad, I got you some food. You know, I've seen that you haven't eaten since yesterday, and it's worrisome. Dad? I would just leave it at your doorstep. Thanks a lot, bro. So good to see you. Yeah, let me pick you up. Miss you. Come on. Let's go upstairs. It's okay. I get it, bro. You're welcome. It feels so good to have you back. Whew. Dad! Guess who is here?
Evelyn?
No. Mom!
What are you doing here?
Came back.
You came back? What does that even mean?
I needed a break, Williams. I was feeling choked. I had to breathe.
So, I was the one choking you?
No, Williams. I can't explain how I was feeling. It was as if I was in bondage. I just needed space. The moment I stepped out of here, I realized that I belong here. And I came back.
Cha-cha-dam! The queen is here. We should roll a red carpet, right?
I'm sorry that I left, Williams.
This isn't about you leaving. This is about you cheating on me all these years and getting engaged the same time you left me. No, don't be. The moment you took a decision to turn your back against your son and I, that's it. There's no turning back. Stop it. No turning back. Evelyn! Oh my God. Come here. Evelyn, come.
Bro, what are you going to do? You don't have an address or a contact to the girl you claim you love. So would you pick over your wife?
Bro, this isn't about a competition. I'm in love with Evelyn and that's it.
Then what about Kate? Your family? Your son? He may want you guys to come back together, you know? Well, if you and Evelyn are destined to be together, fate will surely bring you guys together.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Sure.
Sure.
Oh, babe.
Don't even feel at home yet. I'll use the guest room for now. How you doing?
What is the problem, babe?
Nothing. Just not in the mood.
Come, talk to me now. Eh? Are you still mad at me?
It's not that.
So, what is the problem? Because you seem so uninterested, and I'm like, you didn't miss me?
Stop.
No.
Can you stop it? I can't do this anymore.
You can't do what?
This. I can't continue with this relationship anymore.
But I thought I apologized. I said I was sorry about everything.
Yes. And I forgave you, but I'm not mad at you.
Okay.
So what is the problem? What is it?
I'm in love with someone else. Daniel, I'm sorry, but I cannot continue to lie to myself. My heart no longer belongs to you. So we have to put an end to this.
No. No. Evelyn.
I'm just worried.
Worried?
About you.
Me?
Or let's just say I'm worried about myself. I don't know how it happened, but I think I have fallen for you.
You think?
I have grown so fond of you. I'm beginning to like you.
That makes it both of us.
What do you feel?
I feel a connection. Something I never thought I would feel. A feeling I didn't see coming. It feels... No. This isn't right. I just got out of a relationship and you just got out of a marriage and you haven't even signed the divorce papers yet.
I can go ahead and sign it right away.
No. I wouldn't want you to make that decision because of me. I want you to do it because you want to.
Good morning, son.
You're making breakfast.
Like old days.
So happy to have you back, Mom.
Yeah, son. Hi, honey. Good morning. Making breakfast for the family.
I signed the papers.
William.
You can have it. You asked for it.
No, baby, it's not
Look,
like...
look. This isn't about you anymore. I deserve better. And I know what better feels like now. I don't want to punish myself in the name of marriage. It's better we co-parent our son. I go my way, you go your way. I don't want to suffer in marriage. Okay? And I'm heading out. By the time I get back, you should be gone.
Dad found someone while you was away. And you know, he found her. He was happy with her. I think that's the happiest I've seen him ever since. So I understand if he doesn't want to reconcile with you. Mom, you can't blame him either. I know that you might not be married to him anymore.
What will be, will be. Yeah. ¿Qué será, será? What will be, will be. Fate has its own ways to change the course of our lives. ¿Qué será, será?
You see that one? That's the one you shouldn't go there.
That one?
Don't touch.
I'm not.
That will bite you.
I'm not touching it.
Everything you know. Have you ever felt that way you are? It's no way you meant to
No
be.
idea, Pops. Give me a second. I don't know.
Have you ever felt that you're struggling with
Dad, you have a guest.
What took you so long?
I thought you would miss me and call me. But then I remembered you don't have my contact.
The day you left, I ran after your car, but it was far gone. My friend had told me that if we were meant to be, I will surely meet you again. And I held on to that.
I'm here. So what does that say?
Well, we might have met by an accident, but it wasn't really an accident.
Oh, we have your son to thank then.
He's not so much of a bad son after all. I missed you.
I missed you too.
oh, na 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 na. Oh. My life was shattered before you came. And when you came, you showed me what love is. Cause I've been living in a blinded world, and you opened my eyes to see it. Now I'm begging you, baby,